Why are companies pushing the boundaries of robotics like never before? The answer lies in the quest to create machines that don't just function but truly emulate human abilities. Polish company Clone Robotics has captivated attention with its relentless efforts to develop the world's first humanoid robot featuring artificial muscles. Recently, engineers unveiled thrilling footage of their latest creation. The standout feature, named Torso, mimics human musculature using hydraulic tendons and artificial muscles. But why is this significant? Unlike traditional robotic systems, these advancements could enable smoother and more natural movements. This marks a pivotal moment in robotics, shifting from mechanical efficiency to human-like motion. The field of robotics is diving deep into bionics, blending technology with biology. Why does this matter? Robots like Torso could revolutionize physical therapy and rehabilitation. Imagine a future where robots physically support patients recovering from injuries or surgeries, guiding them with movements so natural they mirror human motion. Could this innovation expedite recovery and redefine healthcare? But Torso isn't the only robot making waves. The Norwegian company 1X recently revealed Neo, one of the most advanced robots ever seen. The buzz is real. Every video showcasing Neo's capabilities goes viral. Standing at 165 centimeters and weighing just 30 kilograms, Neo operates autonomously for up to 4 hours, performing tasks like cooking, cleaning, and even playing board games. Why is everyone talking about Neo? Its muscular anatomy and continuous learning make it both gentle and powerful, mimicking human strength and precision. Meanwhile, American company Blended takes a unique spin with robots by developing kiosks that can craft smoothies perfectly tailored to individual preferences. The system's speed and personalization leave us wondering, will robots soon replace human baristas? Toyota's Q6 humanoid robot recently made headlines, breaking the Guinness World Record for the longest basketball shot by a robot, 24.5 meters. Why does this matter? Q6 showcases the cutting edge of AI and robotics, analyzing previous shots and learning from errors to enhance performance. Could robots soon challenge professional athletes? In Turkey, Akin Robotics' ADAS-7 series is bringing advanced humanoids into public spaces. These multilingual robots can operate for 8 hours autonomously, interacting seamlessly in offices, museums, and shopping centers. Why are such robots crucial? They bridge the gap between humans and technology, offering practical solutions for communication and assistance. French engineers also upped the game with the drone umbrella, a hands-free umbrella that uses AI to follow its user. But why stop there? The tech raises the bar for convenience, even if challenges like obstacle detection still need refinement. Even sleep technology is evolving. Sin's modular bedrocker now uses advanced features to promote restful sleep. Why does rocking enhance sleep? It mimics the calming effect of a cradle, helping users, especially children with autism, relax and recover more deeply. Finally, household chores may soon be a thing of the past with TidyBot. Developed by researchers from Princeton and Stanford, this robot adapts to user preferences to clean and organize homes. The big question is, how far can personalization go? Could robots like TidyBot soon become indispensable household assistants? The robotics revolution is here, and these breakthroughs are just the beginning. Which of these innovations amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this dive into the future, subscribe to our channel and leave a like. The robotics race continues to heat up, and each innovation brings us closer to a future where robots blend seamlessly into our daily lives. Polish company Clone Robotics recently showcased its groundbreaking development, Torso, leveraging hydraulic tendons and artificial muscles to mimic human motion. But why is this innovation critical? It marks a shift from rigid mechanics to lifelike fluidity, opening doors for robots in fields like rehabilitation and physical therapy. Could Torso pave the way for a future where robots assist patients with movements that feel naturally human? Meanwhile, Norway's Neo by 1X has set the robotics world abuzz. What makes it a standout? This humanoid robot, standing at 165 centimeters and weighing just 30 kilograms, boasts the ability to operate autonomously for 4 hours. It performs tasks ranging from opening doors to cooking meals and even playing games. Why does this matter? Its muscular anatomy mimics human strength and gentleness, combined with continuous learning that enhances efficiency with each task. Could Neo redefine what it means to have a robotic assistant in the home or workplace? The American company Blended offers a delicious twist to robotics with its smoothie-making kiosks. Imagine a robot that crafts perfectly tailored beverages in just 3 minutes. Why is this a game changer? It's not just about speed, it's about personalization, making these kiosks ideal for busy environments like universities and malls. Could such innovations signal the rise of culinary robots that cater to individual tastes on a massive scale? In the world of sports, Toyota's Q6 humanoid robot has shattered records, achieving a 24.5-meter basketball shot. But why is this feat significant? Q6 combines AI with precise mechanics, learning from every attempt to refine its performance. Could this technology one day challenge professional athletes or find applications beyond sports? Over in Turkey, Akin Robotics is making strides with the Ada 7 series. These social robots are designed for public interaction, offering multilingual communication and up to 8 hours of autonomous operation. Why does this matter? It showcases how robots can enhance human interaction in spaces like museums and offices. Could such advancements make robots indispensable in customer service and education? France offers a lighter innovation with the drone umbrella. Imagine a hands-free umbrella that follows you, shielding you from the elements. Why is this exciting? It frees up your hands, making it a perfect companion for multitasking in the rain or sun. While the design still needs refining, the potential for hands-free weather protection is undeniable. Sleep technology has also received a robotic boost with Insin's modular bed rocker. Why is rocking beneficial? Studies suggest it mimics the soothing motion of a cradle, enhancing deep sleep and relaxation. The latest version even adjusts movements based on the user's needs, making it ideal for those seeking better rest or therapy for conditions like autism. Finally, household chores are becoming a thing of the past with TidyBot, developed by researchers at Princeton and Stanford. Why is it special? This mobile robot adapts to user preferences, organizing items with 85% accuracy. Imagine a future where your home stays tidy without lifting a finger. Could TidyBot redefine home organization as we know it? From humanoid robots breaking records to smart assistants transforming our homes and health, robotics is pushing boundaries like never before. Which of these innovations has you most excited? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you loved this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.